Here we had the very first fire truck Society Hill Rural Fire Department ever had. It's an old Ford F600. I'm not sure year model. It wasn't wrote in the door, but it's been not completely restored, but it's getting there. This was from back when the people of the town volunteered and kept the fire department up before it got turned over to the county. So this is kind of different than the fire department we had today. I'd say they got it looking pretty good, considering it looked like this old Cadillac down here when they started. Looked kind of like that old Cadillac when they started as far as the finish on it. It's not completely done. They're still hunting down parts, but like they're still waiting on the headliner to go in it, and it's not 100%, but it's getting there, and everything that's been done looks good in my opinion.